This is going to be short and sweet. This is about overwintering Coleus. It doesn't need to be a 30-minute video. Let me show you why. These are the Coleus that I had growing on my porch. I decided I wanted to winter them over, maybe even keep them as houseplants. So in September last month, I brought them in and I chopped them down. You can see some of the branches still here. It's now mid-October. This is the growth I've got in 1 month. They get a couple hours in the morning of sunlight. I soak them in the bathtub so they're well drained once a week, and they are obviously doing outstanding. Look at how thick they are. But what I'm really proud of today is this one here, because if you look close, we got a flower coming in. So anybody that decides you need to watch a 30-minute video on how to overwinter Coleus is just nonsense. There it is. You learned it all in under 2 minutes. Thank you for watching, guys. You got this. Go and do it.